Hey embracers, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing some chair covers with you. These were sent to me, so let's unbox it. I'm showing you this side of the box because my address and stuff is on the other side. So let's go from the bottom. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but the item name is emBraceSINGHlife chair covers for dining room, and they are stretch spandex. Nice removable covers. You can use them over your dining room chairs, which is what I'm going to be doing. So let me just open it up so you can see the pattern. So they sent me a listing for me to choose from, and this is the pattern that I chose. It's green. I feel like it's not coming off on camera the way that the shade of green, I don't think it's coming off on camera how it is. It looks pretty and it feels very soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these. It is a set of 4. I do have 6 chairs, but it's 4 that's in here. They did ask me if I wanted 4 or 6, and I did answer telling them that I had 6 chairs. So I don't know if it was a mix up in sending out the items or if it was some kind of language barrier kind of thing. Maybe I should have just put I want 6 and be done with it, but like I said, I have 4 and that's fine. I have 6 chairs. I can put them on the 4 and leave the 2 just plain. So let's see how it looks. Let's go. Okay guys, so I've turned the camera around my dining. I'm gonna flip it around. My dining table is a mess in terms of there's just stuff on it. Tell me if that happens to your dining table from time to time. I thought I saw somebody walk past. So I'm gonna turn the camera around from this angle so you guys can just see me tidy up the table, take the unnecessary stuff off, and then we're gonna get into putting the covers onto the seats. So this is what I mean when I say the table is a mess. Okay, so this box is just the item that I just unboxed, and then hubby got some long service award, and of course that was like 2 days ago, and that's still on the table. There's some vitamins. There's a part of the high chair. My cap is on top of a cooking oil bottle. And then there's an envelope, and that cleaning spray is there from, I believe, 2 days ago as well when I cleaned off the dining table. So let's get those off. Oh, and back there on that chair, that's one of those bib, I don't remember what you call them, but it's for the baby, so I kind of just keep that there. I usually will put it down into his chair and then put the table on so that it's not showing, but this is real life. So let's get all of this together, and I'm gonna close the curtain so to see if the lighting will be any better. Let's go. Okay, so this angle is much better in terms of the lighting. So So here is the first one, and I'm actually pretty in love with this pattern now that I'm seeing it on the chair. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm gonna put on the other three, and as I said, I was supposed to be doing these 4 chairs. I don't know why I did this one, but I'm gonna move this around there and move one of these around here. So let's do these 2 right here. Guys, I am not mad about it. I wish I had 6, but I love it. I love they are so soft and nice. They're so easy to put on, and they look so nice and smooth and fitted well to the chair, and I love it. I love it. If you want some seat covers to change up your dining area, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box. Once again, thanks so much to the sponsors of today's video for sending over these dining chair covers to me. I absolutely love them, guys. No joke, no lie, no real something. I love these covers. They had some Christmas ones, but I thought it would have been too much for me. I'm not one of those people, but these, I love these. I am so in love with them right now, and I think if you want to change up your dining room a little bit, it's a really nice, affordable way to do it. As I said, I didn't buy these, they were sent to me, but they did send me the listing so that I could choose the pattern that I liked, and they were pretty affordable. So I'm loving this. I love the pattern that I chose. It's not too much. It's very subtle. It's still kind of a nude thing going on. It's not exactly any colors that I already have in my space, but it still doesn't look off, and it goes well with the table itself, and it doesn't look weird. Even though I only have 4 covers, it does not look weird that I have 2 chairs that are not looking the same like everything else. So I highly recommend these. In a later video, probably in a laundry video, I will tell you how they hold up in the washer after a wash, but straight out of the box and onto the chairs, they are chef's kiss. Alright guys, if you stayed all the way to the end, thank you so much for spending this time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit subscribe, and if you don't like the video yet, like the video, no man. You can like the video. I know sometimes you might be watching on TV or something, you can't leave a comment, or you know, whatever, But no matter what device you're watching on, you can give this video a thumbs up, and I ask you just to take 3 seconds out of your time and give the video a thumbs up if you made it this far, because you must have liked it. Alright guys, bye.